You watching Top 5 Best Camcorders. Number 5. Canon Vixia HFG40 Full HD 20x High Definition Optical Zoom Lens. Advanced HD CMOS Pro Image Sensor with improved low light performance. 1080/60p recording in MP4. Built-in Wi-Fi technology with FTP transfer capability. 3.5-inch OLED view screen with 10,000:1 contrast ratio and EVF. Dual SD card slots, using readily available, consumable media. Intelligent optical image stabilization system with powered and dynamic modes and auto on/off. High capacity battery included. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 4. Panasonic AG DBX 200 4K. Variable frame rate up to 120 fps in FHD MP4/MOV recording in 4K. Integrated Leica 13x f/2.8, f/4.5 lens, 3x individual lens control rings. 2x SD card slots, U3 compatible. HDMI 2.0, 3G SDI output. HDMI 2.0, 3G SDI output. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 3. Panasonic HCWX F9 91K 4K. Ultra sharp 4K Ultra HD recording, plus in-camera editing for 1080p displays. Electronic viewfinder EVF emulates a semi-professional recording experience. Dedicated HDR button enables quick mode changes. Leica D-Coma lens optical 20x zoom, 5-axis hybrid optical image stabilization. Image sensor 1/2.3-inch BSI-MOS sensor. Total pixels 18.91 megapixels. Built-in twin camera, plus Wi-Fi mobile features add multi-camera scene picture-in-picture recording. 4K cinema in-camera editing and effects, dolly zoom, slow/quick motion, 4K post-cropping, stabilization and zoom. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 2. Canon X8 30 Professional. BP820 lithium-ion battery. Lens hood. CA570 compact AC power adapter. Top handle unit. WLD89 wireless controller. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 1. Sony FD R AX700 4K HDR. 1.0 type, stacked XMR-Rs back illuminated CMOS sensor. Incredibly fast, hybrid AF with 273 points and wide coverage. 4K resolution, 3840 x 2160, in addition to full HD filter diameter, 62 mm. Instant HDR workflow with hybrid log gamma, HLG, encoding. Zeiss Vario T*12x optical zoom lens W/29 mm wide angle. Please check the description for details and update price.